Hello, welcome to my channel. Yesterday we discussed what is noun and I tried to explain everything about noun. Today I am going to discuss with you all the different types of nouns. As we all know, noun is a naming word. It's a name of a place, person, object, animals, anything. Now, today we are going to discuss the different forms of nouns. First, I'm going to mention the names of the different kind of nouns that are common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, concrete noun, and compound nouns, in which there are very common forms like common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, even countable and uncountable nouns, but concrete and compound nouns generally are taught in senior classes. So, what is common noun? Common noun is used to name people, places, or things in general. We don't mention about a particular person, a particular place, or a particular thing. We mention it in class. Like, I saw a girl moving on the street. So I'm not talking about a particular girl. I'm not mentioning the name of the girl. I'm just saying I saw a girl. Same way, we went to many cities. So, I'm not mentioning which cities are we going. These are common noun. जिसे हम generalize करते हैं, हम class में बात करते हैं. We don't mention a particular person or a place. Then we come to proper noun. Proper noun is used to name a specific person or a place or a thing, and the main quality of proper noun is proper noun starts with capital letter. So if we are talking about John, that John is a tall boy. So here in this sentence, John is a proper noun, because when I say about John, you will understand about which person I am talking about. But at the same time, John is a tall boy. Boy is a common noun. Because in boy, when we say boy, we are not talking about a particular person. Children are naughty. So children is common noun. But Shanti is naughty. Shanti is a proper noun. Because I am talking about a particular child, that is Shanti. Correct? Now we come to the third form of noun, that is abstract noun. Abstract noun have no physical existence. They refer to ideas or emotions that we cannot see, touch, smell, or taste. Like if we are talking about I am feeling loved. So the name of my feeling is loved. But we cannot see love. We cannot touch it. We cannot smell it or taste it. It is just that we feel it. When we say time never waits. So here time is a noun. Okay? But because time is something which we don't see, which we don't eat or taste, so it is an abstract noun. Next, we are coming to collective noun. Collective noun refers to a set or a group of people, animal, or things. Like when we say flowers. So flowers is a common noun. Because which flower I am talking to, I am not mentioning. Right? But when we say a bunch of roses, a bunch of flowers. So कितने flowers हैं? It's a bunch of flowers. That is a collective noun. When we say a team of players are going. So we are explaining that how many, not exactly the number, but the class we are mentioning that a team of players, right? When we are saying a flock of sheep means a group of sheep. So whenever we mention a group, we say it is collective noun. Then comes countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted, जिसे हम गिन सकते हैं, like car, then house. Number of houses we can count, number of roses we can count, right? But milk, we can count it in 1 liter or 2 liters, but not in numbers. So milk is again uncountable noun. Countable means जिसको हम 1-1 करके गिन सकते हैं. We can count it 1 by 1. If I'm saying I have some pencils on my table, so I'm able to count the number of pencils. Those are countable now. But when we say air is dirty, right? So air is uncountable noun. We cannot count it. Milk, water, wood, okay, happiness, these are uncountable nouns. So countable nouns are those which can be counted, and uncountable nouns are those which cannot be counted by, picking 1 by 1. Then lastly, that is concrete and compound noun. These two forms of nouns are for senior students. I'll mention again, not for standard 2 or 1 or 3. But still I am explaining so that if you come across these nouns, you can understand from my video. Concrete refer to people or things that exist physically, and at least one of the sense can feel it. Like, I saw the beautiful moon in the sky. So moon is a concrete object. We can see it. When we say the apple taste is sweet, the apple, you can say it is a common noun as well as it is a concrete noun, because we can see the apple as well as we can taste the apple, right? And compound nouns means concrete nouns are those nouns which we can either see, smell, taste or touch by our senses, जिसको हम feel मतलब देख सकते हैं, छू सकते हैं with the help of our senses. Those are concrete nouns. Compound nouns are 2 or more words that create a noun. Like when we say son-in-law. So there are 2 terms, son and law, in-law. And we combine those 2 to form one word, that is son-in-law. When we say rainfall, so rain is a word, fall is a word. We combine these 2 to make rainfall. So again, this is a compound noun. When we say credit card, so credit is a word, card is a word. When we combine those 2, it becomes credit card. Okay? So these are actually 8 forms of nouns which I have discussed today. I have tried my level best to make it short, but to be clear. I hope you will understand with the help of my video, and kindly like and subscribe my channel so that I can explain you another way, like many other topics of English language, as well as I'll be updating videos about chemistry, how to write the formulas and valency and equations, how to balance equations. I have been asked to explain some important and interesting topics of history as well as. So I hope you will like my channel. Please subscribe it. Thank you.